Biakamal ka Nuer online TV channel tekon ka lera mi bukon lim gwasa me lera me mi be nywaga yakel lera mi togre wicha ka South Sudan ajen bukon linga kan kono ni ami jira mi jidit ka Nuer online TV channel gore jen o jender jen nywaga nasim ko kien ko de lera ti de kan kula ugosin ten gor konen o de ko ten en news banning jen gwasa me gwal mi shala re na Shane di shop ke die sha kana gwas mi shakor cha tokten koro mo tokre wi ka South Sudan ano ko koro mo toga kam dor dangro re wi ka South Sudan lo toga lo sharami ta nak ne die to ano weekend jek re dwar mi chal ke toin nos kanti ka warab state la wejane ano kane to re koro mo shimene yen mo gwas me shinei tishop ke diech chalutin an gwas nen yana mane na mani market ano commercial rural bet ka wulpa yam ano jen gwas dan to kor moten kam jane jen intercommunal violence in Toit North County ano en rega me chitwo go chala do na ne diech ke liu karam kel mete ka bot ano kai chicken local market chicken wang chimene yana mo gwada mo chaje wang local market ke gwada dan to kor moten jen tuoga kam dor dangro ki dor shal ke a book kana a wan parek ken ka dor jane ki ka tugdo le janre wichen wini mi ka warap ngai ne je gwano ne tungwan ka so Sudan sikan go sikan go jen ne mantama la koro tuok ba tuoka kan dur la dur South Sudan in kon kule la kwar ko me wich kir ma yadi to wije nen yana me nyai na tana ka kan korodien tangos la yago keno dong shikar lok ke chikan ke no korodien long menen yana mane jen chala do nena wut mi shal ke major ajal bolbol jaram dan la director ka criminal investigation rai wije mo chala do nena na me tuoka ko kor ka me sha ne di shop ka ne shop ko baro no kete ne di sha nak chu ne di shop baro shu kul beno gwas mo ka jena korro kala nyini na re o ndio je tok ya kol gwase dan te ne di sha nok ti sha na kan gwas mo chu kan kul ben lob ka ne ken be chol ka jar wana mo wa to ne metar na shu kan na yu ben je kan gwas mo lo me kan ni me kana wan parek an gwas mo chu kor mo chu tuok shukaner ne shukaner o shukan kan na ka shwa kan ne diok shwa chu joj an gwas dan wa joy ga ten chicken weje me chicken chu dak na mani kanai te konti la jang te kare ka me no baje kwen ya ga taran chicken no ga gwas me tan gwas ni don sha le sha mala ji ga so ba la ri gwa on 14 February 2025, a fighting took place on Thursday in Toinos County of Warab State. It has claimed 5 lives and the Galwing burned down 2 market of Ralbit and Awulpayam altogether. This intercommunal violence in Toinos County has already resulted in at least 5 confirmed dead and 1 injured person and totally burned down their local market into ashes. The incident happened on Thursday around 4 a.m. between 2 communities, Atokbuk and Awan Parek. Major General Ajal Bulbul, Director of the Criminal Investigation Department in the country, said that the fighting was retaliatory response when 7 suspects at a raid from Awan Parek were killed by Atok army men in January this year. Ne di cho baro te cha naga rona pai we jen ku kan nam la ke jelo shir mi chol kan ne ken ka ta dana shalat ke jem now on Thursday an army men believed to have come from Awan Parek in Ralbet Payam attack Awal Payam headquarters, which is Atok Community Administrative Unit. The fighting left 3 people dead from Atok and 2 attackers from one Parak. However, he added that the area is now enjoying relative calm after the attackers were repulsed. Warab State has been experiencing similar attacks, particularly in Greater Tony. Various studies have found out that one of the causes of cattle rustling and banditry menace is under governed space, which serve as a hideout for the criminal. Other factors include a weak security system, porous borders, and the proliferation of army. Officials say the youth locally known as Galwang are more heavily armed than the police. In addition, they suggest that use rare animal to meet price demand. Guadame ana mishira me a bright price war used to came when they within la when jana rudi ndi almala kanogo nanga je waken lakan we go robo dana wa lakan kula we kwen no bigo kwen gwad mishi kwen bikan gwadan kun ga bikan kula nang okra to bikan ga kon kwal ki ba kwal gwardin ba kula okwen no kwa kula okwen menken ngai ko na jang wal kan kun kok tungwan long why are they doing these things so South Sudan she serve anymore kati dia lat ko roti nang na rotin lora bang jene dan go de nyoy kelen bete my bye bye